Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm today next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that the levels that we discussed are still the same. So yesterday there was not much movement in the market. Market came down again, took support around 2890 area and bounced back. Right now gold is trading little above 2900, but there's a good chance that in the next 1 or 2 days we may see gold going down. I'm not talking about trend reversal here, but yes, we may see some further correction on the chart of gold. So the chances of market going to 2800 is very less. Let's forget about 2700. 2800 is very also less right now because we don't see the impact here. Okay, but still we can expect that at least gold may head towards 2850, 2860 area, because this is the daily chart of gold in front of us after standing at a swing high for a couple of days and forming dojis and spinning tops. Finally we can see that okay, there is a possibility of some sort of correction, not a proper correction of $100 or $200 on gold, no. Okay, but yes, there is a possibility that market may came down for a little correction here. So if you are looking for swing trade or positional trade, as I always say, my dear friends, you need to wait for the right price, and still the price has not come to the discounted rate yet. If it comes around 2800, 2850, then we can look for a good positional or swing trade. Otherwise, you better wait. Okay. And if you're a day trader, then stick to the levels. That's it. So the levels that we discussed yesterday are, the first support was 2893 to 888. But the problem is the market has already taken support around this area thrice. So chances are high that today market will break it. To be honest, I have already placed a sell stop below 2888 area, because I think that we have a possibility of market breaking 2888 area and market will be heading towards 2877 to 75, because see, already this area has become very common. Market doesn't like common things. Liquidity has built up, so I think market will go for some stop loss hunting. So our next support is around 2877 to 2875, and then 2864 to 865. So these are the next two support levels on the chart of gold, where we can look for a bounce. How much we can expect? At least we can expect a bounce of 40 pips. After 40 pips, if you see that market has further potential, you can book 50% profit and continue with your break even. But on the other hand, during the US session, especially if we see that the selling pressure is very high. For example, you see that after breaking this particular support, market is standing at 2877 with a big red candle. What do you think? What should be done? Obviously, you need to use common sense. No level is permanent. If the selling pressure is too high, continue with your sell position. If you see the market is taking support, then only go for a buy, okay? Don't make the mistake. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold gains on Trump tariff worries, US inflation data in focus. Gold prices edge higher on Thursday as concerns persisted over US President Donald Trump's tariff plans, while investors awaited a key inflation report to assess the Federal Reserve's policy path. Gold prices slip, investors eye upcoming US PCE data. And if we look at the economic calendar, today we have a long list of events, but not major ones. So during the US session, be careful. If you see market is crazy, follow the trend. That's it. Okay, and do not hold the trade for a long time, because you may get trapped also. Beginners you can avoid, because this is not an event that can change the direction of the market. These are events that will just bring volatility or spikes that can hit your stop losses. Tomorrow's event can be important because it's a PC data. In the last couple of months, we have seen sometimes market moving very well. So maybe tomorrow we can expect some sort of direction in the market. But today, be careful with the spikes. And sadly, as of now, the market sentiment has not changed yet. So whatever will happen on gold, we can expect that it will just be a correction. Okay, it will just be a correction or profit booking. Means they will be temporary. Okay, so if market takes support, we can look for a buy. If you see the sudden selling pressure is there, then you can hold your sell position. Not hold your sell position, you can take a sell, but be careful before you go to better exit. Chances of market going up is less right now, but still, if market goes up, then obviously we can look for a sell around 2940, 294243 area. Remember why we are looking for sell around this area? Yesterday we discussed it was because of FEB was 78.6% retracement level plus previous resistance around the area. And obviously, we have a resistance around 295556 area. But as of now, chances are very less. So let's not focus on this part here. And one more thing you can do is, okay, you can also add the 100 moving average on your chart. So if market goes up, you can also look for a sell position around the 100 moving average if market goes up. So after hitting the 100 moving average, if you see market coming down, you can look for a sell position there as well. My dear friend, if you are a trader who is looking for a good broker, safe broker, then you can visit my website. Just choose your trading style. If you're a day trader, then just click here, and if you're a swing trader, just click here. And if you're a day trader, you can proceed with star trader, because as a day trader, your priority will be paying low spread to the broker because every pip matters. So my dear friend, in star trader, the spread on gold is on 17 to 18, which is one of the best spread you will get in the industry. And moreover, it's a tier 1 licensed broker, and it's also a member of the Financial Commission. It also provides insurance up to $1 million. Okay, so my dear friends, if you are looking for a good broker as a day trader, then star trader is the best option for you. And if you're from India, अगर आप India से हो, it also provides swap free account. Okay, so just click here, and after opening the account, just make the minimum deposit and just WhatsApp me. Okay, just WhatsApp me in this number that Avilash, I have opened my account, reduce the spread, because the initial spread will be around 27, 28. Just inform me, I will reduce the spread to 17 on gold. And if you're a day trader, not if you're a swing trader, then obviously, okay, you don't want to pay swap charges, you don't want to pay holding charges, overnight charges to the broker, and you can consider Vantage. So Vantage is also a very reputed broker globally. So if you open your account in Vantage, the spread will be a little bit higher, okay, but swap charges, no. Okay, there's no swap charges on Vantage. So you just need to open your account through this link here. So my dear friends, okay, you can also consider multi-bank group. Okay, if you're from Middle East, multi-bank doesn't require any introduction, because this is the most regulated broker, highly regulated broker. Okay, so multi-bank is one of the best broker in the world. So if you're also from Singapore looking for a good broker, you can also consider multi-bank because they have the MAS license. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.